Now I will explain student dropout option and facility. Okay, open your website, log in your email ID, password. Okay, this is a your home page. Okay, now click this button like a do student dropout button. Okay, select your dropout class. For example, I will select second class, submit. Okay, I have 5 students in second class. Now I will drop out 100 admission number student. Okay, we can drop out all student at a time by drop out all student option. Okay, and also we can drop out single student by single student button facility. For example, I will drop out only Mahesh student. Okay, single student. Click single student button. Okay, drop out class second class. Okay, promote class drop out date like 10 3 10 2025 drop out region health issue. Okay, in this process I am dropping only single student. Okay, submit, dropout successful. Okay, now I will see again all second class students. See here, Mahesh student dropout successful. For example, I will show select class wise details. Okay, select dropout option, submit. See here, sorry, see here, Mahesh student dropout successfully. Dropout region. Here DR mean dropout region. DC mean dropout class. DD means dropout date. Okay, this is a dropout process for single student. Okay, now I will show multiple student dropout at a time. Okay, select student dropout button. Okay, select second class, submit. Now I will drop out multiple student at a time. Then select dropout all button, dropout class second class, dropout class dropout, sorry, promote class dropout region, dropout date. Okay, 3 10 2025 dropout region something. Okay, submit, dropout successfully. Okay, present all student dropout from second class. Okay, select class wise details, select dropout student details. Okay, see here all student dropout successfully. Okay, okay, this is a dropout facility, dropout option.